In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Bristles 1 in Krita. The Bristles 1 brush preset is designed to imitate a real bristle paintbrush. It's a good choice for expressive painting, textured brushwork, and creating a more natural, painterly look instead of clean line art. Press F6 to open the brush presets docker, or open it manually. Search for Bristles 1 and select the brush preset. For the best results, use a drawing tablet with pressure sensitivity. Light pressure creates thinner, lighter strokes, while heavier pressure spreads the virtual bristles to produce thicker, more textured strokes. Paint with longer strokes rather than short ones, and vary your pressure as you move the pen. This helps create more natural-looking texture and makes the most of the brush's painterly effect. If needed, adjust the brush size using the left and right bracket keys or the size slider. Larger brush sizes make the individual bristles more visible, giving your strokes a stronger textured appearance. Use Bristles 1 when you're painting landscapes, portraits, concept art, or any artwork where you want expressive, textured brush strokes. It's a great option whenever you want a traditional paintbrush feel in your digital painting. And that's how to use Bristles 1 in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.